If you're seeing Steam error 451, there's a good chance you're dealing with a SteamVR streaming problem rather than a simple app glitch. In 2026, this error is most commonly tied to VR users, and it usually means your headset is connected to the PC, but the video pipeline is failing to send frames to the lenses. In other words, SteamVR is still talking to your headset, but the actual image stream is breaking somewhere along the way. The good news is that this is usually fixable, and in this video I'll walk you through the most effective steps to get things working again. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's jump right in. The first and most important fix is to disable HAGS, which stands for Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. This is the number one fix for error 451 because HAGS can conflict with VR frame encoding. To turn it off, open Windows Settings, then go to System, then Display, and then Graphics. From there, click on Change Default Graphics Settings. You should see an option for Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Toggle that setting to Off. Once you've done that, restart your PC. This restart is mandatory because the change usually won't fully apply until Windows reloads everything from scratch. After the restart, launch SteamVR again and check whether the error is gone. If error 451 is still showing up, the next thing to try is lowering your VR render resolution. Sometimes the GPU isn't failing completely, but it's simply struggling to encode the video stream fast enough for the headset. When that happens, the stream can drop and SteamVR may throw the 451 error. Open SteamVR, go into Settings, then Video, and look for the resolution setting. Change it from automatic to manual, then reduce it to 80% or 90%. The goal here is to make the workload a little lighter and see if the video stream resumes normally. After changing the resolution, test your headset again and see if the connection stabilizes. Another fix that matters a lot, especially if you're using a Lenovo gaming laptop or another system with manufacturer optimization software, is turning off network boost. Tools like Lenovo Vantage often include features that prioritize game traffic, but sometimes they can accidentally interfere with the high bandwidth video stream that VR needs. If you have Lenovo Vantage or similar software installed, open it and look for network boost or any comparable network optimization option. Disable it, then close the app completely and try SteamVR again. Even if it sounds unrelated, this setting can cause exactly the kind of stream interruption that leads to error 451. If you're still stuck, the next step is to switch SteamVR channels. SteamVR has different release tracks, including beta and stable, and sometimes one build works better with your hardware than the other. To do this, open your Steam library, find SteamVR, right-click it, and go into Properties. Then open the Beta section. If you are currently on the SteamVR beta, switch back to the stable build. If you're already on stable and the problem started recently, you can try the beta instead. After selecting the channel you want, let Steam update SteamVR, then restart the app and test again. A channel change can solve compatibility issues when a recent update has introduced a bug or conflict. At this point, most Steam error 451 issues should be much easier to isolate. The main idea is to reduce conflicts, reduce stream load, and make sure SteamVR is running on the most compatible version for your setup. Start with HAGS because that is the most common fix. If that doesn't solve it, lower the render resolution, turn off network boost if you have it, and then swap between SteamVR stable and beta as needed. If the error is still happening after all of that, take a moment to reboot your PC one more time, reconnect your headset, and make sure all VR-related apps are fully closed before relaunching SteamVR. Sometimes the issue is caused by a temporary driver or session glitch, and a clean restart can help clear it out. I hope this guide helped you fix Steam error 451 and get your VR session running smoothly again. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the exact headset and PC setup you're using so I can help with more targeted fixes in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.